Alright, let me be the first to say this. I apologize. No, I apologize because I said Masicka sound like him have the same flow. And it's true. Some of them song them does sound the same. Right? However, I never said Masicka don't know how to flow or flow differently. I think Masicka just show we say him are the baddest. And anything him can do it. But I think it narrowed down to Masicka just have a unique sound. So let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Dunw3ll, big up yourself.
Dunw3ll.
Something different to the here in our place.
It's one side genocide, papi.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Real killer, I put three in a chout. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Hey mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bound. She want it enough. Oh, you're hitting with the same flow. Hot from me, your ballin', wicked with the can bro. Fiction with the blicking, no lipping, not a festival. Look.
Come again, different flow.
I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Hey mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bound. She want it enough. Oh, you're hitting with the same flow. Hot from me, your ballin', wicked with the can bro. Fiction with the blicking, no lipping, not a festival.
Yo, dog. Yo, come up the Bobby dog. Big bad to me. Never do the AC and still, but man, bad. Yo, him man just come with a different flow. Man just sounds sick. What year?
All guns all bound. She want it enough. Oh, you're hitting with the same flow. Hot from me, your ballin', wicked with the can bro. Fiction with the blicking, no lipping, not a festival. Look, wonder what them sipping, them tricky, we make the key blow. Bad from every stage show, girl from everywhere, bro. Fuck vanity, you're dead fit on she chain door. Head will bust no aim low, and let it bust no play door. Crock will set him up and wet him up all rain no. But them put in your grains so insane, bro. Me be sitting on your ears and watch your brain blow. Pussy them in high place, nobody knows see if show my gun in her face, bro. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Real killer, I put three in a chop.
This is the definition of don't talk too freaking soon. Because Masicka listening. Masicka say, yo, how them boy are dead? How them boy know how me great? Man just say, yo, watch it. Dunw3ll, come here. Make a rhythm. Different flows.
Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the goat, Real killer, I put three in a chout. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy.
Coconuts together.
Mommy, them call me the goat. Real killer, I put three in a chout. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Hey mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bound. She want it. No more no bad like sicker. You want die liquor. The friend of my boss at the ganja chicken. Gonna live from every man, I finger under with you. Anyway you get it from man target. So me empty the clip and not one now miss you. Smarty got miss you, cause why you not listen? Start sitting them up, me show them boss sitting them on a glance sitting from me, not the glass sitting. Some man go my issue. Walk you with the pan out and road boy run like tea. Them know I'm strong and I sitting. Them pussy they at least at the boom in the street. Hey mommy, them call me the goat.
I ain't gonna lie to you, gang. This nigga hard. This nigga is that nigga. Argue with your mama. I ain't gonna lie to you, gang. Bring it back up. This is what we wanted from Masicka.
Killer, I put three in a chout. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Hey mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bout. She want it in her mouth. Girl, I wait and I'm ready. Yeah, fuck up her face, the pan baby. Yeah, bust up her kiss, I can baby. Bust, puff up the grapes, it done merry. Brown and pretty like that the alley baby. Should be top under your chin, I shot.
So for all those who have this one flow thing, I'm gonna get it out now. The man does have a unique sound.
Running on your jelly, yeah. Girl, I wait and I'm ready. Yeah, fuck up her face, the pan baby.
Man, I laugh after we start. Jaja. Alright. First thing first, like I said earlier, I apologize. I'm gonna mean it like I've been listening to Masicka from Bali days and I listen to Masicka from about 20 what? I listen to Masicka from about 2013, 2014. I'm time there. If I'm not mistake. It's a long time, you see me? Long time I dog in a game. Video bad. I feel like Dunw3ll and Masicka is like Idonia and the Genius. Personally, that's how I view them when it comes to the artistry of what they are and who they are and how them gel together. You see me? But wifey man gel together. But anyway, song 10 out of 10. Bad. You see me? The man literally show you say, me are the dog, me are the king. You know what? Let me look up something real quick because hold on, me I miss out my Premier League match with this, you know, bro. Let me come back right here, so hold on there. Go. What does my name La Cabra? La Cabra name? Hold on. Let me go back to the cabra. No want to say La Cabra. Make a look. La Cabra, the goat. So yes, the goat. That tough still. I'm not gonna lie. That tough. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Everything get a 10 out of 10. Lyrics, flow, and him give you a whole heap of flow. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Can't deny that.